2025 marks the rise of a whole new era in mobile luxury living, and at the center of it all is the arrival of the most futuristic motorhome we've ever seen. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement, a declaration that the boundaries between mobility, luxury, and technology have officially dissolved. The moment you set your eyes on this beast, you'll feel like you've time-traveled into a sci-fi movie set in 2080. With its wide, sleek body design, razor-sharp contours, and seamless fusion of chrome, carbon fiber, and active lighting, it looks less like an RV and more like a rolling tech fortress designed for the elite. The body doesn't just shine, it pulses with character, throwing off hues of maroon and silver under natural light. It's an oversized masterpiece that stands taller, wider, and more aggressive than anything on the road today. Step inside, and it's a whole different world. The door glides open with a hiss of compressed air and a futuristic tone, welcoming you into a cabin that rivals high-end penthouse suites. Every inch of the interior is carefully sculpted with precision, lighting in golden and blue hues, ambient temperature control, and adaptive smart surfaces that respond to your touch. There's a full-size lounge wrapped in vegan leather, a kitchenette that feels like it belongs in a luxury yacht, and a master bedroom that features a retractable ceiling to watch the stars. In the center, the dashboard is something out of a spaceship. No buttons, just a sleek glass control panel powered by AI, complete with voice recognition and gesture controls. It anticipates your needs, maps your route, and even adjusts your mood lighting based on your heart rate. The powertrain isn't just futuristic, it's revolutionary. Powered by a hybrid hydrogen-electric propulsion system, this motorhome produces almost zero emissions, while delivering torque levels that push this gigantic structure forward like it's weightless. The undercarriage hides an active suspension system that adjusts automatically, depending on road conditions, offering a cloud-smooth ride on highways, mountains, and even light off-road terrain. And yes, it has solar skin panels across the roof, silently collecting energy as you explore the world. You're not just living in this machine, you're off-gridding in style, with total independence and zero compromise. But perhaps the most surprising element is the technology ecosystem it supports. Built-in drone launch pads, retractable observation decks, holographic entertainment panels, and a mobile app that allows full remote control of every function. You can even summon the motorhome to your location autonomously. It's like your personal mobile command center. Everything you imagined about the future of travel is now in one place.